What's up guys, Lou here, and I'm about to do a late night unboxing, and I thought, you know, I might as well share it with you guys. I thought you might be interested. It's a rather large item and they're tough to unbox. It's a television, a 65-inch flat panel, the 8000 series from Samsung with some special features, so I thought, you know what, let's struggle through this unboxing together. I'm going to place the camera down on a shelf over here and give you guys a closer look at this TV. I'll be showing some gameplay on it too. We'll hook the PlayStation 3 up to it in a second. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. We got AJ in the house to help out. These things are not easy to get out of the box. Go 1, 2, 3. Oh, did we lose anything? No, we're good. We're good? Okay. Let's spin this. Now I'm going to grab the camera and we're going to take a closer look at some of the accessories in here before we get to the actual TV. So let's take a look at this over here. This, I believe, is the IR blaster, which they've included to control some of your other components in your AV rack if you choose to. This system does have some interesting remote options already including a Bluetooth option with a touchpad, a smarter remote. Take a look at that next. Oh, they also included 4 pairs of 3D glasses. How do I jump in there? Oh, right over here. They're the flat style. Kind of funny looking, actually. So 4 pairs of those. Guys, give AJ a thumbs up, okay? This man's new to unboxing, and you can see he's already a professional over here. Whoa, what's this about? Oh, for batteries, cool. So anyway, it's a good look. This is the touch portion up here. Samsung is actually coming out with a keyboard with a touchpad on it for even better data input when you're using the smart TV functions, but this is a good look. I believe they include a regular remote too, no? Oh yeah, right over here. Probably won't pull this one out of the bag, but this is sort of your standard Samsung remote that you've been getting for a number of years. Very similar looking to many that I've seen before. A number of other things, some cables, a little breakout cable there for standard AV. I don't know who's using standard definition AV on this particular display. Probably looks pretty damn terrible. And a bunch of batteries to power everything up. Okay, I think I'm gonna go place this camera back on the shelf now for obvious reasons. And hopefully we can lift this flat panel out. Is it already on the stand, or are we gonna have to install the stand? What do you think? It's on the stand, but we'll see. Hopefully it's on the stand. And we'll put it up on the table, and then we'll hook up a console and do a little bit of gameplay coverage. All right, hold up 1 second. Wait, I need to hydrate. Oh. Straight up? Down here? There. Oh. Good. Look at that, we're like professionals. I thought we were gonna screw it up for certain. You see? These are the rules right here for TV unboxing. You want to have a happy TV, not an angry one. See, that's me and AJ right there. All right. Oh. So you guys can probably get a better idea, or maybe you can't. Right now it just looks like a big giant black hole. But you got this cool little, like I said, brushed bezel on here. There's also a webcam included for Skype. There's built-in Skype on the smart interface, so you can do your video conferencing right on your TV. It's also got a unique base on it. Hopefully, if AJ can remove that foam covering down there, you can see what the base looks like. Very slim and unobtrusive. It actually has smart interaction, so you can use gestures to control the TV, which is kind of crazy. I don't know if I'm going to be, you know, using Kinect style gestures to control the TV. People probably be walking by the living room thinking I'm a little bit crazy. You've got smart content, of course. Smart evolution. Not really sure what they're talking about there. It has a dual core processor. This TV is actually upgradable. You can actually improve the RAM at a later date, which is kind of interesting. And there are 4 HDMI inputs. I believe last year's model actually had more. I think it had 5 HDMI inputs, which is kind of strange. That's a closer look at the box. And like I said earlier, this is the 8000 series, so pretty much the top of the range. If you guys are interested in more details and specs on this TV, I'll put a link in the description to the product page so you can check it out. But it is a beast. I mean, it's one of the bigger flat panels that you can actually get. So I'm going to cut this video and we'll jump back to having a console connected, and we'll get a look at the picture with a game on there. One piece of advice for you guys, if you pick up one of these Samsung flat panels, or even any of the modern flat panels from other manufacturers, is that a lot of them do post-processing to your image, and that introduces a lot of input lag into your gaming experience. So if your display has a game mode, find it and turn it on. It will vastly improve your experience. Your screen will respond faster to the things you input on your controller, which will mean you'll get more kills, you'll perform better. Trust me, just turn on game mode if it's an option. On the Samsung TVs, it's hidden in general, so you want to scroll down to general in the settings. Oh, AJ's going to do us a favor and show us where it is. So system, and then I believe it's general is the next one. Is there a general? Yeah, there you go. So system followed by general, and then game mode at the very top, and you want to make sure that's on. And what it'll do is it'll disable a bunch of other options within the settings here, so you can't modify everything once you have game mode on, but it's doing it for good reason. It's disabling all the post-processing that is going to increase the input lag on your gaming experience. So just trust me, go with game mode on and everything is going to be better for you. Alright guys, so here's a look at some gameplay. Once again, this is the 8000 series from Samsung, and you can see it's really bright. Lots of contrast here. With the game mode on, not a ton of input lag actually. I'll bring you even closer into the image here. I should go ahead and walk around it a little bit and just show you guys how thin it is. I don't know if I did that yet. It's stupid thin actually. Look at that. That's actually crazy thin, man. You can see the fat boy PlayStation 3 making a bunch of noise, rumbling along like a muscle car. USB connection up top, 5 volt, another USB, digital audio out, another USB. That one says HDD. Did the other ones? No, this one does. External hard drive, I guess. USB thumb drive. HDMI in, HDMI in, HDMI in, DVI audio in, audio out, antenna in. You've got analog audio component in for video, and there's a LAN port for wired internet, although obviously this TV does have Wi-Fi built in, so you won't need to use that. But as I said earlier, stupid thin, super bright screen with lots of contrast, as you'd expect from Samsung's 8000 series. And as I said earlier, guys, if you were interested in pricing and availability on this model, definitely check out the link in the description. That'll give you all the technical specs as well. So I know this has been a quick and casual video, but it is like 2 in the morning, maybe 3 in the morning now. So it's a super late night unboxing for a large item. I appreciate your guys' viewership. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to leave a like and favorite down below, as it does help out a bunch. And also give AJ a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Give AJ a thumbs up, because it was tough for him to help out on this unboxing. He was nervous about it. He didn't know what might go down. You know, if we dropped the TV. It's stressful sometimes. It's a tough gig. It's a tough job sometimes. So anyways, alright. I'm babbling on right now. It's late at night. That's probably why I'm doing it. So I'm going to close out this video. Thanks for joining me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.